Hey everybody, welcome back. So what I want to do in this lesson is have it to where we can jump on top of our object enemy and it will um, jump us up in the air a little bit and the enemy will be destroyed, just kind of like when Mario jumps on a Goomba. But we only want that to happen when we collide with the top edge of our object enemy here. So let's create a new object and we're going to call it obj enemy hit. All right, let's click into it, and we're gonna have to mess with this a little bit, but for the height for now, just set it to 5, hit apply, and what we can do is, well, I guess I'll clear that out. Cancel, delete that, and now just paint it red and make sure it's centered. Hit OK. Then what we can do is come to our, well, actually, let's just drag this outside the screen because we don't need it on the frame. Um, and what we can do is come into our enemy code and let's create an always event. I'm just going to drag this up. And we want the position of our object enemy hit. We'll say position set x coordinate to the x coordinate of our object enemy. And then the y coordinate, we want that to be at the position of the y coordinate of top edge, and we'll say -5. So that way it's a little bit higher than the top edge of our object enemy. If we hit play now, you can see it's just above our object, right? So what we want to do now is say if our mask collides with the object enemy hit, then we want our object or our platform movement object to jump, and we want to destroy the object enemy and the object enemy hit. All right, so now let's test that out. And let me just wait for it to go by. I'm gonna let it come to me first. There, so that's working, right? But we have a problem. So if I run it from the side, we kill it. And if I run at it from the other side, we should also kill it. Oh, that time it killed us. Well, that's fine. Anyways, you're going to have some bugs whenever that's happening. So what we want to do, a very simple fix, let's double click in our object enemy hit and click on this little size double arrow icon. And for the width, let's go ahead and let's make this proportional and stretched. Let's try 28 at first, and we'll apply it, make sure it's centered. Now we shouldn't be able to collide with it from its sides since it's shorter than our object, but we may need to fine tune it a little bit more. Okay, so that time it killed us from the side. We gotta do it a couple times. Yep. Okay, so that time didn't work either. So I'll just make it a little bit shorter. And you just gotta kind of mess with this. I'm gonna say 26. Let's bring it down 2 more. Apply. Center it. Center it. Okay. Hit play. And all right, that time worked. Let's do it again. Yep, that killed us. Let's try it one more time. Yeah, okay. And now we gotta test it from the other side. Okay. You want to do it at least 3 times. You want to do it sprinting at it, walking at it, and then also standing still. Okay. So that seems to be working. Now we just got to make sure we can still destroy it if we jump on the top. And all right. Well, that's working. That's going to be it for this one. And I'll see you guys in the next one.